Okay, so have you all seen this problem on Facebook? I'm making a video to finally show everyone how it's done so this argument will cease. First of all, here's the problem. 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 2 plus 1, close parenthesis, equals x. There's a lot of confusion whether as x equals 1 or x equals 9. Using the order of operations, we can easily figure out which one it is. The people who are getting the wrong answer are doing it incorrectly, of course. I'll go ahead and ruin it, and this will be the answer. That is the correct one, and this is how you do the problem. First of all, the order of operations goes parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from whichever comes first from left to right, and addition and subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right as well. So, to start the problem, we'll have to do 6 divided by 2, open parenthesis, 2 plus 1, close parenthesis. So the first step in order of operations is parentheses. You do the 2 plus 1, and you get 3. Bring down the 2, bring down the division sign, and the 6. The next step, of course, is whatever comes first, multiplication or division, from left to right. So, going from left to right, 6 divided by 2. So you take 6 divided by 2, and you get 3. What's left is open parenthesis, 3, close parenthesis. Now, whenever you have a number next to each other with parentheses, it's a multiplication. So, when you multiply these together, you get 9. So, x is equal to 9. Okay, really quick. I've already shown how x is equal to 9. But of course, if you tell someone this, as is obvious by Facebook, they're going to argue with you and say x is 1. So, I want to show real quick how people are getting the 1. And I want to go ahead and show you how you can tell them they're doing it incorrectly and hopefully end any arguments. The problem it's having is with the order of operations. People are doing it incorrectly. They're seeing parentheses and they're thinking, oh, I'm going to multiply that first. So the error in that is that when you do that problem that way, you're actually doing the order of operations incorrectly, and therefore it's going to be wrong. So breaking this down, parentheses first, people are then seeing this, and they're being confused by these parentheses. They're thinking, just because I see parentheses that I'm going to have to do this side first because it'd be easier. But it's indeed wrong. So if you do it wrong, you're actually doing a multiplication before division. And from the order of operations, you can see that it's whatever comes first. So this problem is actually 6 divided by 2 times 3. So if you write it like this, which is the exact same problem as this, I'm sure no one will disagree with you. Because using the order of operations, you then would do 6 divided by 2, then times 3, which again would be 3 times 3. We bring this down, and that'll be 9. The problem that people are having is they're viewing this division sign as a fraction, which they think that this problem is actually equal to this problem. That's incorrect. That's actually wrong. If you want to write this as a fraction, what you need to write is 6 divided by 2 times that 3, which is equal to 3 over 1. This is actually the same problem as this one, not this way. So when you do it like this, you're going to get 18 over 2, and that, of course, is equal to 9. So again, we show that x equals 9. The reason people are getting 1 is because they're doing it incorrectly and doing the order of operations backwards.